guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do for you this morning a quick, beautiful DIY. Okay, so what you will need for this DIY is 4 of the larger wall signs that the Dollar Tree have. 4 of those and 3 of these. These are the square and these are the rectangle. Now, I must tell you, you can make this as large as you want it or as small as you want it. It is up to you. This is your project. Personalize it for your home. Now, Walmart have these glass. These are mirror, wall mirrors. They're already come with the adhesive on the back and they are the wall mirror. So this particular one is the one with the birds and branches. And it looks like this. Beautiful. I want to say it was $4.99. I can't remember. I think it was $4.98 for the whole pack. So I thought that was a great buy. So you will also need spray paint, and I'm going with this color because of spring. It's a coral, and I am going to use that color to go with it. You will need some of the Dollar Tree gems. You'll need your glue gun and your glue sticks. So on this part, I'm going to assemble all my pieces on the floor only because my table is not large enough to accommodate this wall decor. So I'm going to assemble it whatever way that comes to me. You could do the same for your project, and then I'll spray paint it and share with you what it looks like. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is a really big project, and I forgot to mention that you're going to need some stickers because this wall decor, I do want to have some words along. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and work with my mirror. Okay guys, so this is where we are. I mentioned that I was using the Dollar Tree gems, but I decided I wanted something larger, so I went with the Walmart large gems. Now, if you decide that you want to continue with the Dollar Tree gems, I think the results will still be beautiful. So I just wanted something larger. Now I went ahead and add the branches, and now I want to determine where I want to put my birds. Now I'm going to peel back my words, and I'm going to choose where I want to place it. Make sure you've got it centered if you can. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely love the way that that looked. It is still drying somewhat, and it says Faith It doesn't make things easy. It makes them possible. Luke 1 verse 37. Guys, if you do like the way that this turned out, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will have one for you later on today. All right, guys, thank you again. I truly appreciate your time and your support. I will see you in my next DIY.